Hi, Chris Malouf with XCountry Mortgage here. If you're new to our channel or the first time viewing it, hit that subscribe button. We believe in education, believe applied knowledge is power, so we post a lot of educational content to help you with your finances here on our mortgage channel, specifically to buying a home, refinancing a loan, kind of the mortgage industry. I'm going to do an educational video today. There was a big announcement earlier this week that Fannie and Freddie have increased conforming loan limits. I'm going to kind of go through what that means and the impact. In the past, to be a conforming loan limit, that means you conform to Fannie and Freddie's borrowing criteria. And the maximum loan amount that you could have was just over $548,000. So that means if your loan amount that you were looking for was above $548,000, then you had to start looking at like a jumbo product, a jumbo loan. And if you watched one of my earlier videos, the mortgage industry is all about spreading risk. All about spreading risk over a loan, over millions of loans, and over trillions of dollars. It's all about spreading risk. So the higher the loan amount, that's a riskier loan for a lender. There's a bigger market, if you will, for homes that are in the, say, $400,000 to $500,000 range, as opposed to homes that are in the $750,000 and $1 million range. That's just not, it's a much smaller market, and that's more risk. If someone were to lose their job or couldn't make the mortgage payment on that big of a loan, would the lender be able to sell that property in foreclosure and cover the debt on it, cover the mortgage on it? So that's a riskier loan. With a higher loan amount, that's a riskier loan for a lender. So the announcement again earlier this week is Fannie and Freddie increased that conforming loan limit from $548,000 to $625,000. So that means you can now get into a conventional loan with a loan amount up to $625,000. Real estate has really appreciated here in the last 18 to 24 months. So they've increased those loan limits to give people that were in between that range the ability to take advantage of lower interest rates right now and refinance or possibly purchase a home in that price range and still be able to get into a conventional loan and not have to go to a more expensive jumbo loan that costs more, simply costs more because it's more risk. Now, with that said, the conforming loan limits, that is kind of a nationwide increase right there. However, Fannie and Freddie also break it down into counties. Some counties are simply more expensive to live in. Real estate is more expensive in those counties, particularly here in Colorado. A lot of the resort towns, the median price of real estate is significantly higher than it is like down here on the Front Range in Denver. So how this affects us here locally in Colorado, there are some specific counties that conforming loan limit has been increased even more. So in particular, Eagle County, which is kind of the Vail area, the conforming loan limit is now up to $822,000, a little bit over $822,000. In Garfield, which is the Glenwood Springs area, that conforming loan limit has increased to over $765,000. Pitkin County, which is the Aspen area and surrounding areas, is $765,000 as well. Routt County, which is up in the Steamboat Springs area, that limit has increased to $678,000. And Summit County, which is Breckenridge, Keystone, Silverthorne, the conforming loan limit is north of $822,000 again. So again, how this impacts you as a homeowner or potentially a home buyer in those areas is you are now able to refinance or purchase using a conventional loan product that's less expensive than a jumbo loan product and take advantage of the close to historic low interest rates right now. Be happy to help you with your refinancing or your home purchasing. We've got a lot of good content on our website. I would encourage you to reach out there. Of course, if you got any questions, feel free to reach out right here on YouTube as well. If there are any future topics that you'd like to learn about specifically to, applying for mortgages, how mortgages work, etc., drop us a comment there, and I'll see if I might be able to build that into our production schedule. Have a great weekend.